So we have the 2026 NCAA Women's NC Water Polo varsity scores, not the club level, not the club water polo teams, but the varsity water polo teams, the official ones that count towards the NCAA title. And it's division, and all three divisions compete at the NC level. And we have Augustina defeated Washington Jefferson 14-11. Augustina defeated Wheaton 26-1. Augustina 15-8 over Hennig, and 20-11 over Penn State Red. Austin won 17-13 over Penn State Red, 17-8 over Wheaton, 12-8 over Connecticut. Biola 13-11 over Azusa Pacific. Biola 13-3 over Fresno Pacific. And 16-5 over UC Merced. Cal Lutheran won 18-6 over Caltech and 17-4 over Whittier. Cal State Monterey won 18-3 over Fresno Pacific. California won 11-6 over BC. And then Carthage won 16-2 over Penn State Red. Carthage won in 19-5 Wheaton. And 15-10 over Connecticut. Chapman won 13-5 over Liberty. Claremont Mudscripts won 14-4 over Lorenz, 18-5 over Caltech. Curry won 12-7 over UC Merced, and 19-2 over Fresno Pacific. Fresno State won their 1-1 match, 13-10 over Pacific. Gannett won 17-9 over Grossi, 16-2 over McHenry, and 19-7 over Mercius. Hawaii won 18-4 over UC Santa Barbara. LaSalle 14-13 over Iona. And 11-8 over Siena. Long Beach State 22-6 over Cal State Northridge. 19-9 Long Island over VMI. Lamar 12-7 over Brown. And 14-7 over Cal Baptist. And then we have Lancaster 20, 7 over Penn State Redhead, 11-10 over Washington Jefferson. Lancaster 15-10 over Connecticut, and 14-1 over Wayne. Marist won 29 over Siena, 9-3 over LaSalle, and 18-8 over Lyon. McKendree won 15-9 over Merciers. Mountain Series 12-8 over Lyon. Noah Pitzer 21-5 over Chapman, and 22-5 over Occidental. St. Francis won 18-3 over Merciers, 22-8 over McKendree, and 13-7 over Gannon. And then Salem 17-9 over Gannon, 18-4 over Merciers, and 18-2 over McKendree. San Diego State won 12-5 over Brown, and San Jose State won 12-6 over Azusa Pacific. Stanford won 16-4 over Indiana. And then UCS won 12-11 over UC San Diego, 17-13 over Brown, 12-6 over Cal State Fullerton. And then UC Irvine won 16-9 over Cal State Northridge. UC San Diego won 21-16 over Brown. UCA won 10-7 over Arizona State, and 9-5 over Loyola Marymount. USC won 14-10 over California. Villanova won 15-7 over Siena, 13-2 over Iona, and 16-9 over Mountain St. Mary's. VMI won 20-19 over Siena in overtime, Sundeath overtime. Wagner won 23-9 over VMI, 11-7 over Mountain Series, and 19-2 over Iona. Washington Jefferson won 14-13 over Austin, and 14-2 over Carthage. And finally, Whittier, they won 9-5 over Laverne.